Say hello, Gino.
Thank you very much.
Are you a happy customer?
Thank you, very nice. Thank you for your help.
Gino's a builder and a developer, and I don't know, he's using this truck. Are you happy with the truck?
Yeah, I'm very happy with the truck.
He's an Italian, mate, so hey Gino,
Hey.
is it true that you're an Italian playboy?
Yes, mate.
Huh?
I don't know about Playboy, but listen.
Hang on, I'm just going to say goodbye and wish you good luck in the truck, and let us know if you need anything, all right? Thanks for being a good customer. Ciao bello.
Ciao.